Is insulated siding really worth the price difference? As a roof and siding expert, it's a question I hear a lot, and the answer kind of depends on what you mean by worth it. So first, the insulation value. The best insulated vinyl siding is around R2.5 to R3. Now for context, current building codes here in Pennsylvania require R30 in your ceiling and R21 in your walls. So of course, that extra couple of points will help you a little, but if you're hoping to save money on heating bills by adding insulated siding, it's going to take years to make back that extra cost, which is usually about $250 to $350 more per square foot compared to non-insulated siding like I have here. Now let's say you save $50 a month for 4 months of the year by adding insulated siding. That's $200 saved in the year. Yay! But if you spend an extra $5,000 installing that insulated siding, is it really worth it? Okay, what about fiber cement? Well, fiber cement is more about durability and appearance and not as much insulation. I have another video about fiber cement siding which you can check out. Now here's something most people don't realize. Insulation actually comes standard on wider vinyl profiles. Here I have like a 5-inch profile. If you go to a 6 or 7-inch profile, that comes with standard insulation. I went with a 6-inch profile on my house because we liked that wider plank look, and it automatically came with insulation. The wider panels need that extra rigidity so they don't flex and bend too much. So the worth it for me was more because I was going for a specific look and not as much trying to recoup that extra cost on the insulation. One thing to think about, insulated siding is thicker, so you might need to adjust trim or flashing, maybe windows and door details to make it fit cleanly. So is it worth it? For cost savings, probably not. Now for the look of the profile, sure. What about better protection for hail or wind damage? Probably not that much. Here at Joyland, we want to give you honest, straightforward answers to your home improvement questions so you can make the best call for your home and your budget. If you have other questions, reach out to me and I'd love to answer them.